In the vast desert of Arizona, a massive technology complex is rising, marking a turning point for America's advanced chip manufacturing industry. TSMC, the global giant from Taiwan, has brought its world-leading expertise to this land, creating an innovation hub that could transform how we use technology. With impressive numbers and a bold vision, this project is not just a factory, but a symbol of global collaboration. How did a barren desert become the epicenter of the future of technology? Join Top 10 Discoveries official as we uncover the technological and engineering breakthroughs of the TSMC Arizona Fab project. The TSMC Arizona Fab project is marking a significant milestone in America's advanced chip manufacturing industry, where Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company TSMC, one of the world's leading manufacturers from Taiwan, is expanding its operations beyond its borders. Supplying up to 92% of the globe's high-end chips, TSMC has built the core components for countless familiar devices. From smartphones like the iPhone to powerful artificial intelligence AI systems in data centers, these chips not only enhance performance, but also drive innovation in everyday technology, making devices faster, more energy efficient, and smarter. The project's location spans a vast area of approximately 1,100 acres in Arizona's desert, a strategic choice due to existing infrastructure such as reliable road systems, stable power sources, and proximity to research hubs. This region offers flexible expansion potential, with ample space to support multiple development phases without geographical constraints. Starting in 2021, TSMC's expansion journey into America has progressed rapidly, from breaking ground to completing the first buildings, showcasing a perfect blend of Taiwan's manufacturing expertise and local resources. The project is not just a factory, but a symbol of global technological convergence, where engineers and experts from various countries collaborate to create industry-leading products. One of the standout features is the role of TSMC Arizona Fab in transforming Phoenix, Arizona, into an emerging technology hub with the capacity to produce chips for major brands like Apple and Nvidia. This project provides a steady supply for high-end technology products, from GPUs powering AI to processors for mobile devices. Initial data indicates that the first fab has achieved significant test production capacity, processing thousands of wafers each month, contributing to strengthening America's position in the global supply chain. The historic achievement here lies in building the most advanced fab on American soil, where manufacturing processes push the boundaries of science, such as etching designs at the nanometer level to exponentially increase transistor density. This success not only reinforces TSMC's leadership, but also sparks curiosity about how an international project can drive infrastructure innovation in America. From laying the foundation for advanced AI applications to boosting local economic growth. Through this, the Arizona Fab is opening opportunities to explore the massive investment scale and modern infrastructure that the project brings. The scale of the TSMC Arizona Fab project stands as a testament to the ambition of bringing advanced chip manufacturing to the heart of America. With a colossal investment of $65 billion United States dollars to construct 3 main factories on a 1,100-acre site in Phoenix. To put this magnitude into perspective, this investment equates to the cost of building approximately 130 large stadiums like the State Farm Stadium in Glendale, Arizona, which is valued at $500 million United States dollars. These are not just impressive figures, but a reflection of the grandeur of a high-tech infrastructure project designed to lead the global semiconductor industry and capture the attention of investors worldwide. The project's infrastructure is built with unprecedented precision and scale. The first factory, Fab 1, spans an area of 3.5 million square feet, utilizing an enormous amount of construction materials, enough concrete to erect 10 Empire State Buildings, over 15 million feet of cabling, sufficient to stretch from New York to Los Angeles, and steel equivalent to the weight of 970 Boeing 777 airplanes. These numbers not only highlight the complexity of constructing a chip factory, but also demonstrate the extraordinary effort to transform a barren desert into a modern technological complex in just 3 years. Starting from the groundbreaking in 2021, To ensure durability and safety, the buildings are designed to exceed standard requirements, particularly in withstanding natural disasters. The structures are built with the same robustness as factories in Taiwan, which frequently face earthquakes, enhancing the project's safety and longevity. This achievement showcases a blend of advanced engineering and global construction expertise, positioning the Arizona fab as one of the most cutting-edge technological infrastructures ever built on American soil, ready to support complex chip manufacturing processes that demand nanometer-level precision. The project does not stop at completing Fab 1, but lays the foundation for 2 additional factories, with the potential for further expansion across the vast remaining land. The success in rapidly completing such a large-scale infrastructure has attracted a multitude of suppliers and partners, fueling Arizona's emergence as a new destination for high-tech projects. Through this, the investment scale and infrastructure of the TSMC Arizona fab are opening the door to deeper exploration of production progress and the specific steps bringing the project closer to its goal of global leadership. The journey of constructing and operationalizing the TSMC Arizona fab is an engineering marvel, marking a significant leap in bringing advanced chip manufacturing to America. The project broke ground in April 2021, and within just 3 years, Fab 1 completed its trial production phase in the second quarter of 2024, with plans for full-scale mass production set to begin in the first half of 2025. This rapid progress not only showcases an astonishing construction pace, but also reinforces TSMC's leadership in executing high-tech infrastructure projects. The construction process involved installing cutting-edge equipment, such as extreme ultraviolet lithography machines from ASML, each requiring over 2,000 electrical connections and approximately 1.2 miles of cabling, a task demanding absolute precision to ensure seamless operation. Fab 1 currently achieves a trial production capacity of at least 20,000 wafers per month, with each wafer valued at up to 18,000 United States dollars, highlighting the immense economic value of each production batch. Initially designed to produce 5-nanometer chips, TSMC upgraded to a 4-nanometer process, an improvement that boosts transistor density and chip performance, positioning Arizona Fab as the most advanced chip manufacturing facility in America. The technical challenges during this phase were significant, from coordinating tens of thousands of components to maintaining a sterile environment to prevent dust from damaging wafers. However, TSMC overcame these obstacles by leveraging experience from its Taiwan facilities, achieving a yield rate comparable to its other leading fabs. This success is evidenced by the record-time installation of numerous complex machines, outpacing other major infrastructure projects in America, such as data center construction, which typically require more years to reach a similar level of readiness. The success in Fab 1's production progress not only demonstrates TSMC's technical prowess, but also lays a strong foundation for the 2 subsequent factories in the complex. With data on capacity and wafer quality, the project is shaping Arizona into a global hub for chip manufacturing. The technological innovation of the TSMC Arizona Fab project is shaping a new era for semiconductor manufacturing, transforming the Phoenix complex into a global leader. The first factory, Fab 1, employs cutting-edge extreme ultraviolet lithography technology from ASML, with each machine valued at 250 million United States dollars, designed to etch circuit patterns at the nanometer level. The 4-nanometer chip manufacturing process, starting in 2025, increases transistor density by 1.5 times compared to the 5-nanometer generation, improving performance by 15% and reducing energy consumption by up to 30%. Fab 2 and Fab 3 will follow with 3-nanometer chips in 2028 and 2-nanometer chips in 2030, solidifying Arizona's pioneering role in shaping the future of technology. Implementing extreme ultraviolet lithography requires absolute precision, with each machine needing over 100,000 components, 40,000 bolts, and approximately 1.2 miles of cabling for stable operation. TSMC employs its copy-exact strategy, precisely replicating processes from its leading Taiwan factories, ensuring chip quality meets global standards with a near-zero defect rate. This achievement is demonstrated through the 4-nanometer chips, which boost processing speeds by 20% for artificial intelligence applications, such as training machine learning models in data centers, and reduce power consumption by 25% for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. TSMC also integrates advanced packaging technology at Arizona, optimizing chip performance by combining multiple semiconductor components in a smaller space. This technology enhances chip efficiency by over 30% in applications like graphics processing units for artificial intelligence or processors for smart devices. Meeting the growing demands of cloud data centers, data shows that advanced packaged chips here increase data transfer speeds by 40% compared to traditional methods, marking a breakthrough that reinforces TSMC's leadership in semiconductor innovation. These technological advancements at Arizona Fab not only elevate production capabilities, but also bring America closer to becoming a central hub in the global semiconductor supply chain. The TSMC Arizona Fab is not only a technological marvel, but also a driving force in advancing workforce development, opening thousands of high-quality job opportunities across America. The project aims to recruit over 6,000 highly skilled workers by the end of the decade, with more than 3,000 employees already engaged in fields such as research and development, factory operations, and technical support. These positions offer average salaries 15% higher than the technology industry standard in Arizona, underscoring TSMC's role in creating attractive career opportunities. From semiconductor engineers to production coordination specialists, to build a qualified workforce, TSMC has implemented intensive training programs, including sending 600 engineers to its Taiwan factories for 18 months to gain hands-on experience with advanced equipment like extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, each valued at $250 million United States dollars. Collaborations with Arizona State University through specialized semiconductor courses and recruitment events like TSMC Day have attracted students and young professionals from across America. These programs not only provide practical knowledge, but also offer access to veteran experts who have advanced semiconductor technology from micrometer to nanometer scales, ensuring Arizona's workforce possesses globally competitive skills. The success in workforce training is evidenced by the creation of a diverse team, from high-tech engineers to support staff, meeting the demands of a complex chip manufacturing facility. For instance, engineers at Arizona Fab have been trained to operate the 4-nanometer production process with near absolute precision, achieving a yield rate comparable to TSMC's leading facilities. The project also extends job opportunities to neighboring states like California and Texas, fostering a high-tech employment ecosystem that promotes long-term skill development and elevates Arizona's status as a semiconductor training hub. These efforts not only directly benefit workers, but also lay the foundation for the sustainable growth of America's technology industry. Building a highly skilled workforce is opening opportunities to explore how the TSMC project drives broader economic impact through the formation of a technology industry cluster in Arizona. The Arizona Fab is becoming a powerful economic driver, transforming Phoenix into an emerging technology hub with far-reaching impacts. The total investment of $65 billion United States dollars for 3 main factories is not just an impressive figure, but also a catalyst for regional development, generating over 20,000 indirect jobs in construction since the project began in 2021. Economic data shows the project has boosted Arizona's gross domestic product by 10%, with high-tech capital flowing into sectors from manufacturing to services. The night market economics effect, where large-scale leads to cost reductions, has saved 15% in production costs, thanks to the involvement of major suppliers like ASML and over 50 supporting companies establishing facilities near the complex, forming a vibrant industrial cluster. The presence of leading clients such as Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, and Qualcomm has solidified Arizona Fab's status as a global chip manufacturing hub. The 4-nanometer chips from Fab 1, projected to reach a production capacity of 20,000 wafers per month by 2025, are meeting demands for artificial intelligence and cloud computing applications, contributing to a 20% increase in America's technology exports in the region. This achievement is evidenced by the expansion of semiconductor materials suppliers, from ultra-pure chemicals to testing equipment, in Arizona, creating thousands of additional jobs with average salaries 12% higher than other industries in the state. The project has also spurred local infrastructure investment, with hundreds of millions of United States dollars allocated to upgrading roads, power systems, and telecommunications, improving business conditions across the region. For example, new roads connecting the complex to downtown Phoenix have reduced transportation time by 25%, enhancing logistics efficiency. This development not only delivers immediate economic benefits, but also attracts other technology industries, such as software and electronics manufacturing, to Arizona, positioning the state as an ideal destination for innovation. Additionally, partnerships with state authorities have secured over $100 million in funding for public infrastructure projects, from schools to research centers, fostering a supportive environment for long-term growth. The success of TSMC in building an industrial cluster in Arizona not only elevates the region's economic standing, but also establishes a sustainable development model where interconnected businesses thrive, enhancing efficiency and innovation. With a commitment to leading sustainable manufacturing, the TSMC Arizona fab is setting a new benchmark for the semiconductor industry, blending cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility in Arizona's desert. The factory consumes approximately 4.7 million gallons of water daily for Fab 1, but advanced water recycling technology achieves a 70% reuse rate by 2025, reducing water usage to under 1.5 million gallons per day. The near-zero liquid discharge system, combined with ultra-clean water technology, ensures no strain on the region's scarce water resources, surpassing America's stringent environmental standards. In terms of energy, Fab 1 uses 2.85 gigawatt-hours daily, equivalent to the electricity needs of 100,000 American households. To meet this demand, TSMC has partnered with Arizona Public Service, committing to 100% renewable energy by 2026. With on-site solar panels supplying a portion of the power, the company also invests in green energy credits to offset its entire electricity consumption, achieving a goal of carbon-neutral operations. This success is evidenced by a 20% reduction in emissions compared to the standard semiconductor factories, making Arizona Fab a model for green manufacturing in the high-tech industry. The clean air system is a critical highlight, employing advanced dust filtration technology to reduce 99.9% of airborne particles in the production environment, ensuring wafers meet the highest quality standards. A single dust particle can ruin hundreds of chips, causing losses of thousands of United States dollars, making this system vital. TSMC also implements efficient waste management, recycling 95% of construction materials during the building phase and using environmentally safe chemicals in production. These efforts protect the desert ecosystem while cutting environmental operating costs by 10% compared to similar facilities through resource optimization. The sustainability solutions at Arizona Fab not only meet the demands of advanced chip production, but also establish a new standard for the global industry. The expansion plans for the TSMC Arizona Fab are charting an ambitious future, positioning the Phoenix complex as a powerhouse for global semiconductor manufacturing. Beyond the three main factories already underway, TSMC plans to invest an additional $100 billion to construct Fab 4, Fab 5, Fab 6, and 2 advanced packaging facilities on the remaining land of the 1,100-acre site. These new factories will focus on producing A16 chips and even more advanced processes, expected to achieve 40% higher performance than 2-nanometer chips, meeting the growing demand for artificial intelligence applications, cloud computing, and next-generation smart devices. Fab 4 and Fab 5, set to break ground within the next 3 years, will continue producing 3-nanometer and 2-nanometer chips with a production capacity double that of Fab 1, reaching approximately 40,000 wafers per month by 2030. Fab 6, aiming to implement sub-2-nanometer technology, will position Arizona Fab as a global leader in the most advanced chip production, surpassing existing facilities in transistor density and energy efficiency. The advanced packaging facilities will enhance data transfer speeds by an additional 50% compared to current methods, supporting applications like graphics processing units for artificial intelligence, with 35% faster processing in mobile devices with 20% greater energy savings. This achievement is evidenced by commitments from Apple and Nvidia to order A-series chips and graphics processing units from the new factories, reinforcing Arizona's role in the technology supply chain. The project also extends its vision to other states like California and Texas, with plans to build supporting facilities to enhance production and research capabilities. Data suggests these facilities could create an additional 10,000 high-tech jobs and contribute $15 billion to the American economy over the next decade. TSMC is also strengthening partnerships with American universities and research centers to develop next-generation semiconductor technologies, such as advanced materials, which could reduce production costs by 10% and increase chip durability by 25%. These efforts not only bolster Arizona, but also position America as a global hub for technological innovation. The success of TSMC Arizona Fab is also reflected in its international projects, with factories in Japan and Germany beginning operations. Yet Arizona remains the centerpiece of its expansion strategy due to its scale and potential. With the capacity to produce the world's most advanced chips, the project is shaping a future where American technology leads in fields from artificial intelligence to smart devices, sparking excitement about the next steps in this journey of innovation. The TSMC Arizona Fab project is not just a technical milestone, but also a testament to Taiwan's global influence in the semiconductor industry. Producing 92% of the world's most advanced chips, Taiwan, through TSMC, has become an indispensable hub in the technology supply chain, providing critical components for fields from artificial intelligence to smart devices. The Arizona project showcases the transfer of world-class expertise from Taiwan, with veteran engineers bringing over 3 decades of experience, enabling America to build a sustainable and adaptable industrial ecosystem. This strength lies in integrating global resources with local expertise, creating a modern production model from extreme ultraviolet lithography technology to green resource management. With a long-term vision, Arizona Fab is not just a factory, but a bridge bringing Taiwan's high-tech expertise to the heart of America, reshaping how the world views technology manufacturing. So, what's your take? How do you think this collaboration will shape the future of global technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest insights about technology, national strategies, and innovation shaping the future. Top 10 Discoveries Official will be back with untold stories, projects that push boundaries, and quiet revolutions with global impact. See you in the next video.